Good morning, students. Now today we will revise our chapter 14, chapter statistic. Now in this chapter we want to find out mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. In mean we calculate average. Average of numbers, average of anything which is given to us. In mean always we calculate average. Now in median means a data is given to us and you have to find out the mid value, midpoint, mid frequency. In this case, suppose number of terms are 10, and in this case we want to find out which term is the middlemost term. So that's why this thing we find out in case of median. So median we use to find out the middlemost value. Next is the mode. Mode we use for which term? A value which repeat maximum times. In mode we find out a term which repeat maximum times. So this value we consider in case of a mode. So mean, median, mode, these three things we consider. Okay. Now in this case, if we want to, in this case questions are here, if we want to find out the average, so which term we use? Mean, median or mode? So our answer is mean. If we want to find out the middlemost term, then which is applicable? Median is applicable. If we want to find out the maximum frequency of something, in that case we find out the mode of a thing. Okay. Now next one is formula of mean. Here is a formula to find out the mean. Now first is the direct method. Now direct method is summation, and this is the notation for mean. X bar is equal to summation fi into xi divided by summation fi. And here what is fi and what are these xi's? Xi's are the values, or you can say that suppose this class interval is given to us 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this case xi's will be equal to the class mark, or we can say that the mid value. Okay, so here xi's are the class mark, and how we calculate this class mark? Here is a formula: upper limit plus lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This is the value, this is the formula to find out the class mark. So what is the formula? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. In this case 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. And next is 25. In this case these are the values of xi's. In some questions, suppose this continuous class interval is not given to us. If suppose this type of data is given to us, fi, and corresponding to these xi, fi's frequencies are also given to us. Suppose this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And corresponding to these values of xi, some frequencies also given to us. So let us suppose frequencies are 5, 4, 3, 1, 8. These are the frequencies of these xi's. Okay. So in this case, what is the formula? fi into xi. Just you have to multiply fi by xi. Then you obtain this value and divide it by fi. Fi here stand for the sum. Summation means sum of this column. Find out the sum of these frequencies, then you obtain this formula, and this is the value of mean. This is the formula or which method? Direct method. Now second method is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Now in assumed mean method, what is the formula? Here mean is equal to a plus summation fi into di divided by summation fi. This is the formula of assumed mean method, and in this case we are using here a. A is equal to the assumed mean. A is assumed mean and di is equal to xi minus a, and summation fi is the sum of frequencies. So these three values we have to find out for this formula, that is mean is equal to a plus summation fi into di divided by summation fi. So this is the assumed mean method, and these two methods we have to use in our question, because in this session next method is our